ఎపియాన్ పెయిన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ రీజనరేటివ్ సెంటర్. ఇక మీ నొప్పులు శాశ్వతం కావు.
Surprised, but then also I'm not surprised because he has already given such kind of a very similar statement during 2023 assembly elections. In that he stated that if people are not, specifically he meant for Muslims, are not voting for AMIM, they will not get an opportunity to eat beef. I'm surprised that his thought is so small, so narrowed down that, he thinks Muslims are born only to eat beef. Has he forgotten 1857 Sepoy Mutiny, the entire episodes in the history where Muslims were against eating the meat of the pig and Hindus were against eating against the cow meat with which the cartridge of the rifle was made. The entire independence fight was based on that. Now, if we say that if somebody comes there, Hindu, and tries to sell the pig meat there, will it not hurt the sentiments of Muslims? What is he even trying to do? What is he trying to tell all said and done? He has put the whole Muslim fraternity so small by his thought process. He should have told that I will clean up these drainages. I'll get a healthy environment done. I'll get your roads done. I'll get your water pipelines done. I'm surprised. How can such an educated man even talk so small about his people, his own religion? This is the time Muslims have to wake up because their whole prestige is turned into eating beef and cutting beef.
Madam, Rahul Gandhi has given.
I heard his speech. First of all, I'm so disappointed that why is Rahul Gandhi not at all growing the way he gives speeches? At the first instance, he doesn't even have the idea of how many poor families are there in India. He doesn't even looks like has a list with the numbers. And first you need to start doing that. If you just come to PMO office or any of his offices across the country, we have the data of how many number of poor families are existing. First of all, he doesn't have that data. On the second instance, he doesn't even know how many total women comprise these poor families. Third, he has no clarity whether he's giving it to 18-year-old, 25-year-old, 35-year-old, 45-year-old, 50, 60, 70, 80, which age group women he is giving. And finally, he says कटाकट कटाकट कटाकट. क्या कटाकट कटाकट कटाकट? एक महीने में दूसरे महीने आने के लिए 30 दिन का मोहलत रहता है. There are 30 days between month and a month to come. It doesn't come minute after minute. I don't know who is making this sound while somebody is putting the money. And ultimately, does he even know how many crores of budget it is? He has not come prepared. He's just talking like a small school kid who has to present an essay competition. पहली बार, for the first time, when kids get onto the stage to talk, this is how they talk. Thank you.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో చేయండి అండ్ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.